three pillars that I identified in my photography that made it what it is and brought me the clients that I want: lighting, composition, and posing, that goes hand to hand with directing. We're going to touch on that on another live, but I want to talk about all of this in the context of lighting. Today we're talking a little bit about composition, okay, more specifically leading lines. So I showed you three examples of leading lines. So one of them was this image. Look at the chandeliers, how the chandeliers lead your eyes to them, right? Another one was, which one? This one, where I use the veil to guide your eyes right into the subject, okay? And the third one that we just showed here is this one, where you're using the trees to create the triangles that we need and also to guide your eyes into the subject. All right,